don't buy 1 2.1. I'm going to show you how we can use 1 2.1 for completely free. Now there are some sites that offer 1 2.1 for premium user. Now if you go to file.ai, as you can see we have 1 2.1. You have to buy some credits in order to use one AI video generator. Now we have the second site called name.video. Now if you click here, go to the text to video, and as you can see, if we go to text to video, right here we have the model called 1. I believe this is the normal one, so I don't think this is 1 2.1. Now in order to use 1 2.1 for completely free, go to 1.video, sign in through your Gmail account. Now as you can see, we can also generate AI images, and right here we have AI video. So I'm going to click on it. Right here we have text to video. If we click here, as you can see, we have three model. We have 2.1 plus, 2.1 turbo, and we have simple 2.0. Now if you use these two model, right now there are so many people generating AI videos, so these two model are so busy that you can't really generate video with them. But if you select 2.1 plus, it will generate your video in about 2 hours. But the good news is you can queue your video, about 5 maximum video you can queue them, and at the same time the 2.1 will generate your videos. Now I'm going to show you some few example of AI video generated with 2.1. First we have this example. This is my prompt, and as you can see we have this. Next, if we click here, as you can see, this is my prompt and this is my video. So the video that the one generated are pretty precise videos. I don't see any flickering or any infringement whatsoever. We have this example. Next, we have this example. In this example, we have this prompt, and as you can see, the lighting, the camera work are pretty precise. Even we have the shadow of this Lego shard onto these rocks. If you want to generate some vector animation, then you can also do that. We have two examples. First, we have vector animation of builders. Next, we have vector animation of a man riding a bike in New York. And this is the result. We have some error. I believe if you click on the enhance prompt, we have also an option to enhance the prompt. So maybe you will get some better result. Next, we have Ferrari car transform into Bugatti, and check out the result. Next, we have a soda can top over and landed on the ground in front of Burj Khalifa, and check out the result. Next, we have this prompt and we have this generated video. We have this example. Check out. How to tell me the 2.1 is not generating realistic videos. And finally, we have this video, which is the final example of text to video. Now, if we're talking about the 2.1 plus, I have mixed reaction. Sometimes it generates video game kind of videos, and sometimes it generates high definition, high quality realistic videos without any error. Now let's talk about the one image to video. And when we talk about the image to video of one, the story is completely different. First of all, if we look at the reference, this is my reference image, which I also generated with 2.1, and this is my video. And as you can see right here, we have some music behind this video because I checked sound effect. If you check sound effect, as you can see, if I hover my mouse right here, generate suitable sound effect for video or create background music if no specific effects are needed. With this reference image, I type camera slowly zooming in, and I also check the sound effect. And if I show you the result, this is the result. As you can see, the camera zooming in, check out, there is no error, there is zero error in this video. Now we have this example, a hand smashing burger. With this reference which I generated with Kling AI, if we check out the preview, check out the result. The result is pretty amazing. Now we have the final example. With this reference image, I have typed a giant whale chasing the ship, and check out the result. So I did not added any single sound effect in this video. The AI automatically adds sound effect for this video. checkout. Isn't it pretty amazing? So I hope you enjoy this video. This is how you can get access to the 1 2.1 plus for completely free.